NCERT exercise 2.4 question number 2. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. The division number 1, in the question number 2 there are 3 divisions. The division number 1, p of x equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x equal to x plus 1. P of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. G of x equal to x plus 1. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Use the factor theorem. Factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. Solution. Our p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. For finding the 0 of g of x, put g of x equal to 0. Therefore, our x plus 1 equal to 0. That implies we get x is equal to minus 1. Substitute this x is equal to minus 1 in this p of x. That is p of minus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. This is equal to 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is a plus 1. It's a plus 2 minus 1. Now multiplying these two, we get minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 also cancelling. The result is 0. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, our g of x is a factor of p of x. By factor theorem, g of x is a factor of p of x. Division number 1 complete. Division number 1 complete. Now to the division number 2. So division number 2, our p of x polynomial is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 2. For finding the 0 of g of x, first put g of x is equal to 0. It is g of x is equal to 0. We get x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So replace this all x in p of x is minus 2. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 the whole cube is minus 8 plus 3 minus the whole square is a plus 4 and multiply these two we get minus 6 plus 1. It is minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1. So add these two minus 2 numbers. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14 and these plus numbers is a plus 13. The simplified answer is minus 1. Surely this is not equal to 0. Therefore, p of minus 2 is not equal to 0. By the factor theorem, g of x is not a factor. Not a factor of the polynomial p of x. So division number 2 over. Division number 3 now. The question is p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Our g of x is equal to x minus 3. For finding the 0 of g of x, first put g of x is equal to 0. Start the solution. G of x is equal to 0. That is x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Replace this x in p of x by 3. Therefore, p of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4, 3 square plus 3 plus 6. So 3 cube is 27 minus 4, 3 square is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9. So 27 plus 9, 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So p of 3 equal to 0. P of 3 equal to 0. Therefore, by the factor theorem, g of x is a factor of the given polynomial p of x. So division number 3 also complete. Therefore, question number 2 over. Thank you.